Yes, my people, so this is how we do it. Yes, in the real Jamaica country lifestyle. Oh yes. Really nice. Yes, my people. And remember to try this recipe at home, my people. Yeah. So if you want, something that gets rid of inflammation build up in the body and in the same breath purifies the blood, yes, lower your blood pressure and lower your cholesterol level, and in the same breath, my people, fights parasitic worms, yes, within the body, and in the same breath is a superb antioxidant. You want to stay connected, you want to stay tuned, because I am going to show you what does that in one mix. Alright, Elena and her mama go a grow. Yeah, Elena start ball for your belly, mama go home. Elena go home. Go boil CERASEE for your belly. Elena and her mama go a grow. Start holla for your belly. Mama said, go home, girl. Go home. Go boil CERASEE for your belly. Go home, Melina, go home. Go boil CERASEE for your belly. Yes, my people, and now I'm in my garden, yes, and this is what the CERASEE in its fresh state looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like, my people. So now you know what it looks like. So I'm gonna put the mixture all together for you to see. Yes, so many benefits in one go. You wanna stick and stay, because this recipe is gonna be unique. And this is how we do it in the Jamaica country life. Yeah, so thank you for joining, thank you for being a part of the venvenmusic family, and remember to thumbs up my videos, people, share, subscribe, yes, and leave a comment below so I can know how you're enjoying my videos. Yes, my people, yes. Here we have it, the CERASEE. Yes, so this is quail. Yes, so I, harvest some earlier on, and I, put it to quail, and then, it's ready to make the tea, people. Yeah, so it's good to, harvest it and put it down for a couple days, and, have it like this before you make the tea. All right, people? Yes, my people, as you can see, the pot is boiling, so we're going to add the CERASEE. Yes, so while the CERASEE is boiling, my people, the next ingredient we'll add is the ginger. The ginger, yeah, and as you can see, it's all marted out. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. And awesome looking right here. Yes, my people. Yes. So we're gonna add the ginger now, my people, in the CERASEE. Yes. This is how we do it. Country lifestyle. This tea builds the body immunity. Yes, my people. Yes, where there's inflammation, it fights it. It also loosens up the bowels as well, people. Awesome tea, awesome things happening right here in country lifestyle. Then after we add the ginger, this is the other ingredient. Yes, my people, the coconut milk. Oh, yes. Yes, my people. Real Jamaica country life. Yes. So after we add the ginger, we add the coconut milk. Yes, and as you can see, the color is really nice. Yes, my people. So this is how we do it. Real Jamaica country life style. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, and as you can see, the tea is ready. Yes, and we're going to pour it out. Now, people, you got to strain it. Yes, my people. So this is how we do it. Yes, in the real Jamaica country lifestyle. Oh, yes. Really nice. Yes, yes, my people. And remember to try this recipe at home, my people. Yeah. So here you have it, yes, and now we're gonna sweeten it for you. And as you can see, this is the agave nectar, my people. Yes, and you can use their honey as well, yes, to get it sweetened, my people. So here you have it, real rich and nice. Yes, oh yes, and you can put, you know, 1 or 2 or sweeten it to your liking, my people. Oh yes, so this is really good and you should try this. So peace and love to all my people, and you do take care. All right, remember to drink, to drink, to drink. Yes, Circe. Tea.